I received this comment on one of my previous videos that I open sourced the code that I used AI to write. Or maybe the AI used me. I thought actually, in the age of AI, where it gets better and better, and while I use it more and more to build, I'm open sourcing everything, and I think you should too. I was a staff software engineer that professionally coded since 2011. Now I left my job to build with AI, and here are 5 reasons that you should open source your AI code. First, it's way cheaper to, instead of burning tokens over and over again, just use the same code that others have already used AI to build, which most likely is 90% going to be the same anyway, if there is no human touch to it. And this brings me to my second point, that human touch is very valuable. The AIs are tasteless, and they follow commands, at least for now. But when somebody tries to build with AI, they most likely brought their opinions to the product. They faced bugs, they solved them, and made it to the best working state that they could or had time for. This is still way better to build on than the first version that the AI has generated, which is super raw. Third, it's no secret that AI was generated on open source, and the profit of what AI is generating is fueling the big AI companies. The least we could do is to bring this back to the community by sharing what it generates, and I think this is just right. Fourth reason is that I don't think the code is going to be the distinguisher anymore, but what the code is built for and what and how the value the user is getting is going to be. For example, in the future, whatever website you find interesting, you could easily clone it with multiple agents working on it at the same time. So in the future, why am I trying to keep the code to myself? The convenience is what the user would value more. And knowing that the code is open source and they would be not locked into your product would just build more trust for them. Last but not least, let's care more about our planet. These tokens are not free. I know, it's quite small, and if all of us do the same, maybe, just maybe the world will be a little better place. Let me know what you think. And do you agree with this? I'm posting every day. See you in the next one. Bye.